Ever feel like some algebra problems solve themselves? That's no coincidence, it's the power of algebraic identities. These are tried and tested patterns that hold true for every number, and they can make expansion, simplification, and mental math incredibly fast. Let's uncover these patterns and learn how to use them like mathematical hacks. So, what exactly is an identity? In algebra, an identity is an equation that's always true, no matter what values the variables take. For example, a plus b superscript 2 is equal to a superscript 2 plus to a plus b superscript 2. It works for all values of a and b, which makes it a reliable shortcut. Think of identities as universal formulas, always valid, always helpful. Here are the 4 identities you'll come across over and over again. White heavy checkmark, a plus b superscript 2 is equal to a superscript 2 plus to a plus b superscript 2. White heavy checkmark, a b superscript 2 is equal to a superscript 2 to a plus b superscript 2. White heavy checkmark, a plus b, a b is equal to a superscript 2 b superscript 2. White heavy checkmark, x plus a, x plus b is equal to x superscript 2 plus a plus b, x plus a. Memorize them, understand them, and you'll save time in every problem ahead. Let's try this one. Expand 3x plus 4 superscript 2 using identity 1. Step 1. Match it to a plus b superscript 2. Here a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 4. Step 2. Apply the identity 3x superscript 2 plus 2 times 3x times 4 plus 4 superscript 2 is equal to 9x superscript 2 plus 24x plus 16, and done. That's identity magic in action, no long multiplication needed. Think identities are just textbook tricks? Think again. In physics, they simplify equations of motion. In finance, they appear in growth and interest formulas. In engineering and design, they speed up area and volume calculations. Spotting an identity isn't just smart, it's practical. Here's another powerhouse, a plus b, a b is equal to a superscript 2 b superscript 2. Try this, x plus 5, x 5, using the identity x superscript 2 25. Now try 2a plus 3, 2a 3, that becomes 2a superscript 2 3 superscript 2 is equal to 4 a superscript 2 9. Number foil, no fuss, just one clean identity. Here comes identity 4, x plus a, x plus b is equal to x superscript 2 plus a plus b, x plus a. Example, x plus 2, x plus 7, use the identity x superscript 2 plus 9x plus 14. Try it with x 4, x plus 6, that's x superscript 2 plus 2x 24. Once you know the form, you can expand binomials instantly. Ready to practice? Expand 5x3 superscript 2. Step 1. It matches identity 2a is equal to 5xb is equal to 3. Step 2. Apply the identity a superscript 2 to a plus b superscript 2 is equal to 25x superscript 2 30x plus 9, and you're done. 3 terms in one smooth step. Quick reminder, crossmark, don't forget the middle term. It's easy to miss in a plus or minus b superscript 2. Crossmark, watch your signs, especially when subtracting. White heavy checkmark, always double check. Are you using the right identity? These little things make a big difference. So today, you learn the 4 key identities that make algebra cleaner, faster, and smarter. Next, we'll use these identities to factor polynomials and solve equations even more easily. Stick around, we are just getting started. Let's wrap up what we've learned. White heavy checkmark, algebraic identities are formulas that are true for all values of variables. White heavy checkmark, they make expansion and simplification quick and accurate. White heavy checkmark, the 4 must-know identities are times a plus b superscript 2 is equal to a superscript 2 plus to a plus b superscript 2 times ab. Superscript 2 is equal to a superscript 2 to a plus b superscript 2 times a plus b. ab is equal to a superscript 2b superscript 2 times x plus a. x plus b is equal to x superscript 2 plus a plus b. X plus a white heavy checkmark. You've seen how to apply them step by step and how they're used beyond the classroom. With identities in your toolbox, algebra becomes a whole lot simpler.